Welcome back to Home Design Channel. Where we bring you the best in home decor inspiration and ideas to transform your interior spaces into a haven of style and comfort. Today, we're diving into a world of creativity and innovation as we explore unique and practical home decorating ideas that will breathe new life into your home. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or just starting on your journey to make your space truly yours, we've got something for everyone. So, let's jump right in. Section 1. Personalized wall galleries. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways to personalize your home is by creating a stunning wall gallery. Mix and match or give your wall with frames of different shapes and sizes, painting walls, murals, or wallpaper, and showcase a collection of your favorite art pieces, photographs, and memorabilia. This not only adds character to your space, but also tells a story about you and your experiences. Section 2. Nature-inspired interiors. Bringing the outdoors inside is a timeless trend that continues to gain popularity. We'll explore how to incorporate nature-inspired elements into your home, from lush indoor plants to natural textures and earthy color palettes. Learn how to create a calming and rejuvenating atmosphere by seamlessly blending the beauty of the outdoors with your interior design. Section 3. DIY furniture makeovers. Revamp your existing furniture and give it a new lease on life with some creative do-it-yourself makeovers. We'll share budget-friendly tips and tricks to transform your old pieces into stylish, one-of-a-kind treasures. Whether it's repainting, reupholstering, or repurposing, we've got innovative ideas to breathe fresh air into your furniture without breaking the bank. Section 4. Smart storage solutions. For those who crave both style and functionality, smart storage solutions are key. Discover clever and aesthetically pleasing ways to declutter your space while maintaining a chic and organized look. From hidden storage compartments to multifunctional furniture, we'll explore ideas that maximize space without compromising on design. Section 5. Lighting magic. Lighting can make or break a room's ambience. Join us as we explore the art of lighting design, from statement pendant lights to cozy floor lamps. Learn how to play with different lighting sources to create the perfect atmosphere for every room in your home. Section 6. Vintage Revival. Take a step back in time as we explore the charm of vintage decor. Uncover tips on how to seamlessly integrate vintage pieces into modern settings, creating a timeless and eclectic look. Whether it's antique furniture, finds, or retro accessories, we'll show you how to incorporate the old world charm that adds character and nostalgia to your home. Section 7. Gallery-worthy shelving displays. Shelving isn't just for storage. It's an opportunity to curate visually stunning displays that showcase your personality and interests. We'll demonstrate how to style your shelves like a pro, incorporating a mix of decorative items, books, and art pieces. Discover the art of balance and symmetry to create eye-catching arrangements that turn your shelves into gallery-worthy focal points. Thank you for joining us on this journey through creative home decorating ideas. We hope these tips and inspirations ignite your imagination and help you turn your home into a reflection of your personal style. Remember, there are no strict rules in decorating, just opportunities to let your creativity shine. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content.